friends, I'm going to show you the things that you could use in your creation station because this week we are making instruments. I am so excited. Are you ready? Great. Okay, go grab your tools. Get your crayons, your glue, and your scissors, and any other tools you think you might need because you're going to use your tools to decorate your instruments, and you can decorate them any way you like. So let me show you some of the things that I collected. I have containers, I have paper plates, I have tubes and boxes and papers, different colors. I have cardboard, I have rubber bands, buttons, marbles, I have an old hat, and I even have a comb. What am I going to do with a comb? I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to comb my hair, but let's think about how we can make sound. So sound happens when the air vibrates. That means it moves back and forth really, really quickly. And it does that through or on the materials that you'll collect. So I'm going to demonstrate. I have a balloon. If I blow some air in it, and I pinch the top, the air will vibrate through. And wow, look, we made sounds. Okay, let's start with the easiest. I found this container, and the container already looks like a drum. All you have to do is decorate it and then play. I also found the paper plates. The paper plates, you get 2 of them, and then you can put, maybe I'll put some buttons. You can put some buttons on the inside, and you can glue the plates together, staple them, tape them, and voila, you have a paper plate instrument. It sounds like a maraca. Speaking of maracas, I think you could use tubes to make a instrument that makes sound. I'm going to put marbles in this one. Be careful. And if I find something to cover the ends with, then I can shake it. Do you hear the marbles vibrating back and forth? Okay. I can also use a tube to put a piece of parchment paper on the end, and you could connect it with a rubber band like I did. And then if I talk or sing, the paper vibrates and you got an instrument. This one is one of my favorites. I have a box, I cut a hole in the middle. Do you know what instrument I'm getting ready to demonstrate? I found 4 rubber bands. Let's put them on. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. You see? 4 rubber bands. Kind of looks like my guitar over there. Let me see. Doesn't really sound like much, but if I add these pencils under the rubber bands, right next to the holes on the box, it'll help the rubber bands to vibrate. Do you hear it? Oh my goodness, this sounds so nice. I love it. Okay, I'm going to even show you this one thing. I have like this little cardboard. If you decorate the cardboard, fold it like a taco, and maybe you can glue buttons or caps, or I think buttons are the easiest, on the 2 corners, and then you have a hand instrument. Wow, that's great. Maybe you don't really have that many tubes or boxes at home. You can always go and ask mom or dad if you can use maybe a little pot, maybe a fork or a spoon. Sounds like a bell. Speaking of bells, I found my Christmas hat. I really don't want to cut my bells off of my hat because it's so cute. So I think I'm going to put this over my paper plates and make a Christmas tambourine. This is fun. Now, the last thing. What are we going to do with that cone? Well, if you take the cone and you get a bit of parchment paper, cover the cone, put it close to your mouth. You've made yourself an instrument. Have fun exploring all the sounds you can make with different types of materials. We can't wait. And when you bring your instruments, we will have a sing-along. Oh, and for those of you who say, I can't make an instrument, I don't have anything, don't forget, your body is an instrument. You can use your voice, you can clap your hands, stomp your feet, and that makes music. My body makes music. My body makes music. My hands go, my feet go, my mouth says la la la, my body it goes cha cha cha. Have fun.